Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's the first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of why Mayeni and Macele hate each other. Musa Mselegu's wife's busy throwing roses at each other. It seems like Mayeni has issue with everyone. Mayeni likes no one but herself. The wives don't get along, even worse when Musa is not around. It seems like Mayeni has something which she doesn't not want to split it out. Mayeni really needs to let go of the past and move on, Shem, because the episode has exposed her if being the only one who has an issues but doesn't speak. Mzansi has accused Umayeni for being jealous of Tobile. She once called her a slave queen, now it's Umlungu. Tobile is beautiful and she know how to put makeup better than her. Mayeni is only nice and respectful to Mselegu and always mean to sister wives. She doesn't have to like them, but her attitude is really annoying. Mayeni, it's real no need to pretend. If others are looking for unity, they better get it from Musa. I'm so disappointed in Mayeni. She seems to be cold nje towards Makumalo. Grudges nje all the way. They can't be in the same room just for a day. Mayeni doesn't like Makumalo because she feels like she replaced her, and don't like Macele because she is still angry about not being the first wife. Mayeni wanted to be the first wife and will forever have issues with Macele. It's as if she forgets that in the beginning she refused to be in a polygamous marriage. Remember when the season started, Mselegu said that he met Mayeni first out of all the wives, but he married Macele first. I think that's why Mayeni is like this. Yo, Shiba's umungu. Mayeni, it's actually the problem here. I mean, she clearly has not accepted the idea of her sharing the love of her life. Hence, in episode 1, they said her family didn't approve. She doesn't want to share her man with neither the other wives or girlfriends. She is also Mselegu's first love, it shows. But between her and Mangwabe, not sure who takes the cup at giving him headache and sleepless nights. She really doesn't act like someone who is married to a married man. She is so bitter and rude. I think that's the reason. You still remember she once said Musa betrayed her. What I've gathered from this season of Uthanduni's Tembu so far is that Umacele has made peace with her husband adulterous way as long as her terms and conditions are met. She accepted Mselegu's many wives and girlfriends as long as her position as Mamkulu is respected. Umakumalo is a free spirit, gets along with everyone and doesn't question much from her husband. Ngwabe Yena has a life outside East Tembu that she still very much enjoys. Her family, friends, work, school, business, and Mselegu once kept women, so most of the time they are at loggerheads. And Miguel is in Beijing. She wants a partnership, not to be controlled. Umayeni is not a polygamous type. I think even her background contributes to this. Hence, in episode 1, they said her family didn't approve. She doesn't want to share her man with neither other wives or girlfriend. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in the next video.